Yoruba Nation activist, Sunday Adeyemo, popularly called Sunday Igboho, who returned to Nigeria, February 2024 ending, has said he is ready to face and chase out killer herdsmen from Yorubaland. Igboho said this while addressing a group of people in the Yoruba language during the burial of his mother in his hometown, Igboho area of Oyo State. He said the police and the soldiers deployed to Yorubaland, especially to Ekiti where monarchs were killed in broad daylight, cannot combat the supposed killers. He said, "I want you all to stand with me so that we can liberate ourselves from the herders encroaching on our lands. Let us mount security in all the Yoruba lands ourselves, if not, they will take our lands. We don't have to wait for the government or anyone. Let's just work in unison. We cannot farm on our lands because of these herders. And our people are going hungry and angry. We don't need the soldiers the government claims to have deployed to Ekiti state. We work following our elders and mount the places ourselves. It was my mother that was my fear before, but now she's gone. I have nothing to be scared of again. I am now back to take back our land." While refuting claims that he was working for politicians, Igboho queried if he could be working for politicians and if they would still want him dead. He added, "I am not working for any politician. In fact, if I incidentally slapped someone, the government would be ready to arrest me and put me behind bars. I know they are watching me closely now to know my next action, but I'm ready to take a step to stop these marauders' activities in our lands."
Let's follow them. Let's follow them.
Here we are going now. Hope you can see everything that's going on. Hope you can see everything's going on now. Everybody, can you see that? It goes live and direct. It's coming back. This is Igboho's family house. Can you see that? It's coming back here right now. Very soon. That's a lucky one. Abesi. Here in here. See that? There we are. See that? The love is so much. See that? The love is so much. You see that? All of you are about all of you wanna very soon. You see that?